she's in the fitting room.
In here. My daughter's in here. She's in here.
You have a carbon monoxide leak. You need to close the store.
Is that flammable? Oh, well, my whole inventory is in the store. I need time to move it all out.
No, we gotta move now.
Wait. You can't leave with that dress. It's a $10,000 dress?
How many dresses do you think you'll sell after a customer dies in one? Or after I call the police on you for interfering with the patient's care? Or after you go to jail for manslaughter? Move!
Where's my purse?
You must have left it in the store. Look, I'll go get it.
Dad?